What's up, guys? So super excited about this. Just surpassed 100 subscribers. Yeah, I'm excited. I get excited for each and every one of y'all. Just seeing them slowly trickle in. But look what YouTube sent me, a play button. Oh, what is that? Oh, it doesn't look so official. Oh, it's not so official. Congratulations for surpassing 37 subscribers. Okay, guys, you probably noticed this is not an official YouTube play button, but my buddy Kirk made this for me, so it's probably gonna mean more to me than a legit play button. So hand carved, handcrafted. I doubt YouTube puts in that much effort, but yeah, there she is. So super excited about that. Kirk, if you're watching, boom, this guy is yours. This is a canvas I did back in like 2018. So I painted the gray on here and then the blue and overlaid the pink, and then took a metallic Sharpie and just kind of, accentuated some of the pieces. So Kirk, if you're watching, that is yours. And just to give y'all an update on everything, so I've almost got the wiring harness and the ECU ripped out of this thing. I probably don't even need half these wires, but we get the whole dash out. This is all loose, and hopefully we're just gonna take all of this and strip out whatever we don't need, which is probably all of this, and I just wasted all my time. But we'll strip out what we don't need, get it in the Datsun, get the ECU flashed, get all the security crap flashed off of it. If you're wondering where the dash went, it's in the back seat. So it's all in pieces. Some of it I just had to break just to get it out because it was super frustrating. If you have a 2002 Yukon, good luck changing the heater core. This has been terrible. So, and I saw another YouTube video of them trying to change the heater core, and it was like four parts long and 80 minutes or something. So anyway, that's where we're at on the Yukon. So after I get that harness out and the ECU, probably gonna scrap the rest. And I also just bought this guy. So I got an engine and a transmission ready to go. If you're in the DFW area and you need a transmission rebuilt, or you just need a transmission like I did, and you're willing to pay a core charge if you don't have a core to give them, definitely hit up Bishop International. They'll take care of you. Go talk to Ryan. He's a very knowledgeable guy. They're not a swap shop, so don't call them with a million different questions about transmissions. But if you know exactly what you need and you're ready to get it, give them a call. They'll get it built in a few days. I mean, I literally went and saw them, I think it was Friday, and they had a transmission ready to go for me on Monday. So really great guys. Definitely hit them up. I got a universal LS style motor mount kit from Speedway. I did spray paint over my contact info because I actually had, I guess someone that was watching the video, or one of my subscribers, actually called me while I was quarantined and let me know that all my information was just being like poured out on YouTube. So you're a legend. Thank you so much again for letting me know. Yeah. I also have a clutch kit on the way, a whole bunch of parts coming for the Datsun, so definitely stay tuned. If you want to stay up to date, or if you have any questions about any modifications I've done thus far, definitely follow me on Instagram at LikeableMichael. You can drop me a message in there, slide in those DMs, do whatever you need to get the answers you need. I will definitely do my best to provide accurate information, detailed, whatever you need. But anyway, thanks again. Y'all are the best, and we'll see you next time. Peace.